How to see all posts you have liked on Facebook. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. First and foremost, tap open your Facebook application in your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now over here to check out all of the posts you have liked or reacted on your Facebook, head to the very top. Click on the three horizontal line. From here, tap on your profile. Next to edit profile, you will see three dot icon. Click on it. From all of this list, check out activity log. In here, you will find this blue bubbles. Scroll until you see the option of likes and reactions. Click on the option. Over here, you will find all of the posts you have liked on Facebook so far. You can also filter it out by tapping on this filter icon. And you can filter it out based on date and other categories. And that sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.